Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Willie Ong. I'm a doctor but I was once a patient too, bedridden for months after undergoing cancer treatment. My entire body ached and my joints felt like they were locked. Even the slightest movement felt like being pierced by thousands of needles. I couldn't sleep at night and spent my days staring at the ceiling, enduring the pain. I truly thought I would have to live with that suffering for the rest of my life. I still remember how even taking medicine was a struggle. The pills were big, bitter, and hard to swallow, and taking them long term only made me weaker. My liver and kidneys were under strain. Then came a turning point. I discovered Red Shark, a milk tablet supplement with biocalcium and red shark marrow extract from Japan. It's not a drug, it's not bitter, it's a soft, chewable milk tablet, gentle, easy to take, and safe even for someone as weak as I was. And something amazing happened. After just 3 days, the pain noticeably eased. By the seventh day, I could stand, walk, and even do light exercise, things I thought I'd never do again. That was the moment I knew I could live again. This is not a drug. It's a safe supplement that doesn't harm the liver or kidneys. Red Shark Marrow provides highly absorbable biocalcium combined with collagen, vitamin D, and essential minerals. It helps rebuild cartilage, restore bone density, relieve pain, and improve mobility quickly. This product uses advanced technology to enhance calcium absorption and joint regeneration, up to 70 times more effective than regular calcium supplements. I truly trusted this product and felt completely safe while using it. Today, I'm sharing this story not only as a thank you, but as a message of hope to anyone struggling with joint problems. Don't hesitate, try Red Shark. I'm living proof of how effective it can be. And as a token of gratitude, now that I've fully recovered, I want to give something back to the community. 50% off for the first 1,000 customers. Buy two, get two free with free shipping nationwide. Don't wait. Your health won't wait either. Click the link below to order now and feel the difference.